Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change background color in Doodly. So let's start. The first way how you can do it is when you're going to create a new video, you have option to choose a style here, like chalkboard, glassboard, or custom. Or you can simply come here and have a chalk or marker, and then have a custom image or custom color, and then choose it whatever you want. So let's say I'm going to choose the chalkboard here, for example. So this is the first way how we can actually change the background color. Let's click create, and voila, here we have it. The second way how we can do it, so let's say I'm going to click add a new scene, and what you can do is when I'm going to click on a scene, I can click scene settings, use board and hand styles from video settings off. What I can do is to simply switch it, like glassboard, let's say. Applying settings. It's going to take a little bit of time, and voila, here we have it. So let's say that I'm going to have a person here, and then in this scene, this is going to be text, and I'm going to play it. So let's show preview. Here I have it, and voila, this is what, as I mentioned, this is like drawing on the glass. So these are the two ways how we can actually change and edit the background color in Doodly. So again, let's repeat the whole guide how I did it. Let's click save. Saying 50%. Yeah, I shouldn't save it, for example, I think. So this is how we do it. The first way is when you're gonna do it, click on it and go to on right side scene settings, use board and hand styles from video settings, turn it off, and then you can simply create custom color. It's completely up to you. Or you can add a background image. So that's how we do it. The first way and the second way, I would have to cancel it again. Yeah, it's bugged out. You can do it in a menu, right? So let's say I'm going to close this one. Okay, here we are. So create a new video, chalkboard, glassboard, custom, and you can simply choose it also here. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.